Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. South African defender Aiden McCarthy has completed his transfer from Kaizer Chiefs to FK Saba ahead of the 2026-27 season. McCarthy, who's 22 years old, ends a memorable breakout season with a lucrative move to Europe in the region of 7 million rands, excluding potential add-ons with future percentage resale clause. Having profited from the long-term injury of Roshun Dokli, the academy graduate established himself as one of the most consistent performers at Amakhosi, and he now moves to the Azerbaijani Premier League champions. Their maiden title success has seen them qualify for the first round of the UEFA Champions League qualifiers, where Aiden McCarthy will be aiming to be involved as one of their major investments of the off-season. He follows on from the likes of Siyabonga Ngezana and Yusuf Maad as the more recent exports of the club to make the move abroad to Europe, as they joined FCSB and SV Reed respectively in the past couple of seasons. Now, Kaizer Chiefs have released a statement which says Kaizer Chiefs' promising young defender Aiden McCarthy is set to leave the club after completing a transfer to Azerbaijani-based Saba FK. It says, "We can confirm that we have agreed to release Aiden McCarthy after being approached by Saba FK. We are proud that he will compete in the qualifying round of next season's UEFA Champions League. We know Aiden will fly the Amakhosi flag high in Europe, and we are excited to see him grow on the world stages," says Sporting Director Kaizer Motaung Jr. McCarthy has signed a 3-year deal with Saba FC, and he is currently in his final week of vacation, awaiting his visa before traveling to Malaysia to link up with his new club for pre-season. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Aiden McCarthy moving to Azerbaijan in Europe? Do you think that this is a good move for him and also for his development? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.